Assalamu'alaykum, welcome back to your favorite channel, Belajar. So in today's video, we are going to make a delicious and nutritious homemade ice cream. But before we jump into the tutorial, please like this video and put down your opinion into the comment sections below. And for those who hasn't subscribed to my channel, please consider do, because inshallah I'll be posting lots of useful and informative videos. Okay, let's just start. So here are the ingredients. We have 750 milliliter of full cream milk, and then we also have 5 tablespoons of raffinated sugar, and then we also use 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is optional, but I use this cocoa powder for flavor. And then emulsifier, we only need 1 teaspoon of it later. A little bit pinch of salt, and then a block of chocolate for additional topping. So first thing first, we're going to pour the 750 milliliter of the fresh milk. So this is the package of 1000 milliliter, and I drank about 250 milliliter of it. So yeah, you can actually use the measurement jar to get the exact amount of the milk. Okay, next we add 5 tablespoons of sugar for sweetening the ice cream, because the milk itself is flavorless, so you want a little sweet for the ice cream. And then after that, we put it on a small heat and wait until it gets warm. Then we can add the cornstarch after this. Okay, so we keep stirring, and do not forget to maintain the low heat. Okay, while waiting, my friend helped me stirring, and I can make the mixture of the cornstarch. Okay, so we add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch into approximately 100 milliliter of water. Okay, it's actually for thickening the ice cream. And then we mix the cornstarch and the water well, and make sure that there is no lumps. Okay, like this, and then we can pour it into the milk, and don't forget to keep stirring until it gets boiled. Okay, just keep stirring until it gets thickened, and we can see some bubbles assigning that it is boiled. Okay, and then wait until it gets cold. Okay, when the boiled milk reach the room temperature, then we're going to put it in a container like this. You can use the food safe container, and then don't forget to seal it, and we freeze it. Okay, after a few hours it will freeze, and the ice cream is actually can be eaten this way, but we want softer ice cream, so we add a few more steps. So we crushed the ice cream, then we put it into the mixer bowl. Well, you can taste it yourself for the sweet level, and I feel like adding more sweet into this ice cream, so I decided to add condensed milk, about 2 sachets for the sweet. Okay, now it's time to add emulsifier to make the ice cream softer. So we melt it like this. It's only 1 teaspoon of it, and we are going to mix it along with the ice cream and condensed milk. Okay, so keep mixing passionately for about 8 to 10 minutes, and you will see a gradual increase of the volume of the ice cream. you will see the different height of the ice cream, and then you will find this very soft texture. Then you can end the mixing process, and this ice cream is ready to be freezed again. And I already prepared some cups because I'm super excited. I want to do some experiments of different flavor of everything that I have at home. Yeah, so I put coconut milk powder and also coffee and honey and shredded chocolate. I even added different flavor of syrup that I have at home. Okay, but then at the end I learned that adding another liquid won't give you the best result of the ice cream. So we're going to start with the first cup. The first cup will be the original version of the ice cream. So this is just simply the cream without adding any additional flavor. And then the second cup will be honey. So I put like 1 tablespoon of honey, and then I put about 2 ladles of the ice cream. Oh, this is not the ice cream yet, this is the cream. Okay, and then we mix it and make sure there is no honey at the bottom of the cup. So you need to mix all together. So I added more of the cream. The second one will be this coffee flavor. It's about like a half tablespoon of the powder. To avoid the powder to settle at the bottom of the cup, we put 1 ladle of the cream before we put the powder, and then we're going to cover it with another ladle of the cream so that we can mix it easily. So I'm just keep mixing until the coffee spread evenly into the cream. Okay, next flavor is coconut milk. This powder version of coconut milk is actually safe to be consumed directly, so we don't need to cook it previously like the liquid form of an instant coconut milk. And then we're gonna do the same steps like before. Since the color is exactly the same, so it's a little tricky to see whether the coconut powder has dissolved perfectly into the cream. So I just did random checking of little lumps of the powder. Next we have cocoa pandan's syrup flavor. Well, I really like to see the color changing from white into the baby pink. It is a little satisfying to mix though. And keep an eye of the syrup settling down at the bottom of the cup. We don't want that, so we mix them properly. See that at the bottom? Just keep mixing, until all of the syrup mixed properly. Moving on to the next flavor, we have a melon syrup. So the method is actually the same like the previous one. Okay, and after that we have the cocoa powder, and trust me, this is the best flavor of all. This is my favorite. You just keep mixing until all the cocoa powder mixed well into the cream. This powder is actually having that bitter sensation, and I really love that one. I added 1 more ladle because I want it to be full. Okay, and after this we have the shredded chocolate box. This is actually the second favorite. I love everything with chocolate though. Okay, just keep mixing. Okay, next I'm combining the two favorite toppings, the shredded chocolate and the cocoa powder. This is going to be the best combination of toppings. Okay, basically almost everyone in this house love chocolate, so we're going to put the rest of the cream with this topping. So after 7 small cups, we still have the leftover this much, and we decided to put the cocoa powder and the shredded chocolate, because this is going to be everyone's favorite in this house. So we decided to make it like more. One is the cocoa pandan, and then this one is the honey. Okay, this one is the melon, the green one. This is the shredded chocolate. This is the cocoa powder, and this one is the combination of both chocolate. And this one is the coconut milk, and the last one is the original version. The rest of the cream will be stored in a larger container and put them all in the freezer, and the ice cream will be ready in a few hours. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video and see you in my next one. Bye. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.